What is going down, y'all? Your boy is back this time with a Craigslist pickup, y'all. Got a Craigslist pickup for the Chevelle, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what I got going on. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this tailgate real quick. Not gonna waste a whole lot of time on it, but it is some good pickups today for only $20, y'all. $20. I was able to get some, and I'm always looking online for deals. If I can get some deals online, that's usually the best way to get stuff off Craigslist and stuff, because a lot of times people are restoring cars and they have a lot of old parts, and they're either don't want to hold on to them, but they don't want to throw them away, so they put them on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for really cheap. Try that route first, and then worst case, if they don't sell for something, then they end up tossing them. So I end up getting a lot of good deals that way. And I'm kind of the same way. I'll put them on Craigslist if I don't need something. And if I can't sell them, what I do is when I go to the junkyards and stuff like that, I just take a box of parts with me, and then I'll just leave them in the parking spot. I'll just leave them there, so that way, you know, somebody come across them, they can get them. If not, the junkyard can take it and either put it in their junk pile. And usually a lot of the times, if it's metal or something like that, they can just recycle it. But you know, it's kind of my way of giving back, y'all. Giving back. So anyways, let me go ahead and flip this camera around, show you guys what I picked up. All right, y'all, so here we go. $20 kick panels. Kick panels, $20. The dude gave me two for the driver's side and then one for the passenger. On these, man, very common for this part to break. So let's just say this is the driver's side kick panel right here. This is the part that goes to the door seal, the seal plate, and then this is the part here that goes up the door jamb. Very common for that to break. And as you can see, hopefully, if I have one right here on this one that I bought, it's actually cracking. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna have to be careful with that one and epoxy it together or something, so that way it kind of holds and doesn't break. But that's why I needed one, because these are kind of shot, man. These cables are busted, and I think you could buy new cables, you know, because these cables, actually these are a little bit different, and I don't know why these are different. These are actually from an El Camino 71 El Camino, and then these are actually for a Chevelle, so maybe it's a little bit different setup on a Chevelle. You have two knobs here, two pulleys, whatever. One opens the vent, and then the other one, I think this actually went to the flapper inside of the air duct, so you can open that vent, which opens it for air, and then you can open this up to get the air inside the car. So in a lot of these old school cars, basically like natural air coming in for the non-AC cars. So these are non-AC kick panels, but this one right here, it only has one to open the vent and shut it. So my Nova also had the same. It just had one vent to open and shut it. So I think air on those are just constantly kind of going through all the time. You shut it, no air comes through, you open it, you can. This one looks like you can control it both ways, so I don't know why that makes a difference. Because if you have this open and you have this closed, then you won't have air coming in anyway. So anyways, whatever. But they're basically the same anyway. What I'm gonna do, and the reason why I got these as well, not only because this was broke, but what I'm gonna do is actually cut this out. So I'm not gonna even use it anyway. And I'm going to put speakers in that little area where the air comes through. So in that little duct area. So behind it is just nothing but, the only thing behind it is basically the front fender. But air comes through that. Comes through the firewall area, basically where that duct is, and air comes down, dips down. So there's a company that makes speakers to fit in there. So I'm gonna check those out and see kind of how much there are. I think they're kind of spendy, but it gives you detailed directions on what to do. I'm gonna look online, but you know me, a lot of times I just make my own stuff. So I might copy the directions on cutting these out, and then maybe make my own. And all you really need is first I'm gonna see what size speaker will fit in there, and then from there I'm gonna make my own. So what I might do is maybe get like some thin sheet metal or some type of sheet metal that'll hold, and then cut it to fit, and then put the speaker in there based off of how big that area is and how big of sheet metal I need to cut. And then if I could put like a 6x9 in there or 4x6 or something like that, I'll just make that happen. So another reason why I want to do this is also it'll save me room also on the floor. So instead of having like the kick panel installed like this and then having a speaker pod sticking out, this way it'll just be flush, and then I can hide it either with this vent or just make a custom cover for the speaker. So that is my thought, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do, and I think it'll be pretty slick. Not only is it gonna look stock appearing, but it's gonna give me, you know, little extra tunes, little extra sound. So I think that'll be pretty slick. I've never had nothing like that before, and I just thought that I would maybe do it that way and make it just a nice, slick, clean, easy install for myself. So anyways, y'all, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to chime in, show you guys kind of what I got, and then I'm gonna actually just paint them black anyway. So I just use the whichever one is better out of these, and then my other one actually is good, so it's not broke on here. So anyways, y'all, don't want to ramble too much, but you guys know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know I'll be coming with some type of projects. You know I'll be coming with some things that I'm gonna attack myself, and I'm taking you guys along with me, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. Out.